In this video, I will show you how to reset Google Chrome to default settings. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you want to do is open up a new Google Chrome browser, and once you've done that, come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots, and from this menu that comes up, come and click onto settings. Now, once you're on your settings, what you want to do is come over to this menu on the left hand side, and if you look towards the bottom, there should be an option which says reset settings. Give that a click. That's going to take you to a screen like this. In here, you can see there's an option to restore settings to their original defaults. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is open up a window. As you can see, by doing this action will reset some Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, disable extensions, and delete cookies and other temporary site data. Your bookmarks history and safe passwords will not be affected, so you don't have to worry about making a note of passwords or anything if they are saved, as they will not be affected or deleted or anything like that. This is literally just going to reset Chrome to the default settings. So to confirm, all you need to do is click the blue reset settings button, and that's going to go ahead and reset Google Chrome to the original default settings. So that's how to reset Chrome to default settings. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.